afternoon, students. My name is Mursinova Alia Mankulovna. I'm English teacher. I work in a higher pedagogical college named after Bisen Akhmetov. Today, my topic is my favorite season. You know, there are 4 seasons in the year. They are spring, cocktail, summer, jazz, cause, autumn, cause, winter. Vocabulary. Before you read the text, you should learn new words. Repeat them after me. Season. Желтизгеле, время года. Nature. Табигат, природа. To awaken. Ояну, пробуждаться. Ground. Жер, земля. To cover. Покрывать. Fresh. Таза, балауса, свежий. Lightning. Найзовая, молния. To pick mushrooms and berries. Собирать кулак, жемстер, жена. Собирать грибы и ягоды. To go fishing. Балык аулау, ловить рыбу. To go boating. Кайкпен серундел, прогулка на лодке. To be in blossom. Цвести, гульденом. Nightingale. Булбул, соловей. Lovely. Тамаша, адеме, красивый. Sweet. Жағымды, хороший. Melody. Ауен, мелодия. Joy. Қуаныш, веселье. Thunder. Күн күркіреу, греметь, гром. To prefer. Кавал, выбирать. Transparent. Мольдер, чистый. To freeze, frozen. Как to, замерзать. Tobogganing, шанамен, сырванал. Кататься на санях. There is nothing like, почти жёг. Нет ничего подобного. To the next lesson you should learn them by heart. Бірінші тапсырма, exercise number 1. You should read the text. My favorite season one by one. Менің сүйікті маусымымның мәтінін бір-бірлеп оқыңыз. You have read the text. Now I should check your understanding. Answer the question. Сұрақтарға жауап береміз. There are 5 questions. Question number 1. How many seasons are there in year? Yes, you are right. There are 4 seasons in the year. Bir жылда 4 mezgil var. Question number 2. When does nature awaken from her long winter sleep? Дұрыс, in spring, көктемде. Why do people try to spend more time in the open air in summer? Yes, correct, because the weather is hot. Күн ыстық. Is summer the best season for tourism? Yes, it is. What is the weather like in winter? The weather is cold. Күн ыстық. Most people prefer summer to any other season. What about you? Me too. Керемет. Mini test. You should open your copybooks and choose 1 out of 4 answers. Question number 1. Find the correct translation of the sentence. Бүгін ауа болды. Question number 2. What is it like in summer? Question number 3. Complete the proverb. One swallow doesn't make a. 4. Find the correct translation. It is raining, cats and dogs. Келесі жаттығуға дайындайық.
Seasons of the year.
job. Now you should choose one theme and prepare a dialogue. Takırıkta tanıdak, diyalogta dayındanız. First group, spring. Second group, summer. Third group, autumn. And the fourth group, winter. You can use mini text. Review. Which season do you see in picture? Picture number 1. What season it is? It is summer, right? When your home task is to write a short composition on the theme My Favorite Season. Nazarlarınızla rahmet. The lesson is over. Goodbye. See you next time.